Welcome to the world of Canon. The flagship Legrue HF-G30 camcorder packs high-specification optics, sensor and stabilizer plus Wi-Fi connectivity into a compact body, ideal for enthusiasts who want to match their creativity with professional quality videos. The Legrue HF-G30 allows you to add a fast or slow motion effect to your captured video by letting you record in a different frame rate than the one you use for playback. You can speed up your video 100% or slow it down to 50% without any loss in image quality. The brand's new 26.8mm wide-angle lens provides better image quality than ever before in a compact camcorder, while the smooth 20x optical zoom lets you get closer to the action. A new 8-blade circular aperture enables beautiful bokeh effect. Enjoy the freedom of controlling your Legrue HF-G30 when the camcorder is positioned out of reach. Control a number of settings, including shutter speed, focus and exposure wirelessly by using your smartphone or tablet's web browser. Simultaneously record in different formats, AVGT and MP4, or at different bit rates, to the dual SDXC card slots and enjoy the twin benefits of professional quality footage and easy upload to the web. Capture fast and slow motion when shooting in MP4 format. With an effective pixel count of approximately 2.91 megapixels, the new HD CMOS Pro sensor, designed and manufactured by Canon for its professional models, delivers stunning picture quality, even in low light, as well as wide dynamic range and realistic color reproduction. The new powerful Digic DV4 image processor works with the sensor to provide images with lower noise and more depth. Intelligent IS combats camera shake by automatically selecting the right optical image stabilization from 4 modes to counteract movement and prevent blur. The advanced dynamic mode corrects roll and tilt movements that can occur when walking, ensuring sharp steady videos in every situation. A manual lens ring allows intuitive control of focus or zoom. Exposure, aperture, shutter speed and gain can all be independently adjusted using the touch screen and customizable control dial, allowing you to unleash your creativity. The responsive organic electrostatic LED touchscreen, with a 1.23 million dot resolution, offers superior definition, contrast and color reproduction over LCD. The 0.61 cm, 0.24 inches, 1.56 million pixel electronic color viewfinder can tilt up to 45 degrees to allow you further control, especially in bright conditions. Built-in 5 or 2.4 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi technology lets you share your HD video through compatible networks, wireless hotspots and iOS mobile devices using the free Canon Movie Uploader app. Transfer files to selected FTP servers for backup or when a quick transfer is necessary. Share videos over the internet with Canon's free Image Gateway online photo storage service as well. You can even watch videos stored on the camera's memory cards directly on your living room TV, or use your PC or mobile device to browse remotely through the previously recorded videos stored on your camcorder, without connecting a cable. The remote browse function uses a standard web browser and does not even require a special app. Wi-Fi technology also allows for remote control of key camcorder controls, such as recording start, stop and zoom, in 3 different speeds, exposure functions, iris, shutter speed, gain and more, and focus settings. The Legrue HF-G30 allows you to record video directly to widely available SD, SDHC and SDXC memory cards. They are available in ultra-fast reading and writing speeds that make it easy to share video. Plus, dual slots on the Legrue HF-G30 enable relay recording. This is when the camcorder automatically switches to the second memory card when the first one becomes full. Theoretically, this would allow you to keep swapping out cards and shooting forever without stopping. However, after 12 hours of continuous recording, the camera will stop the recording. The Legrue HFG30 features intelligent battery technology that accurately indicates remaining battery time down to the minute.